New electrical components come online and engineers need to use them. Instead of creating them, you can search and download them using the Electrical Content Portal, or ECP, for SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic. You can still use a web browser, but new is the ability to run ECP directly in the task pane of SOLIDWORKS Electrical. In the View tab, select the ECP icon. In the ECP, you see what are the newly added items and what sections are updated. Let's search for WAGO libraries, and you will get the list of libraries available for download. PLCs have different libraries, and one that you may need has different sections like 2D footprints, symbols, and manufacturer parts. Productivity enhancements like running ECP in SOLIDWORKS Electrical gives you the flexibility to choose the most effective way you want to work.